Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some cabinetry for the bathroom, and I'll show you all the different pieces and parts, and hopefully I'll be getting this set up here just very shortly. But let's see what we have here. So here we have a toilet paper roll. So this is cool. So this will hang up and give you a shelf there like this. So you can put your toilet paper roll on it, and it gives you a shelf. There you go, you can see for stuff on top of it, so that will mount on there. I think we're given 2 of these, right? Yep, this is the second one of those. So we have 2 of those. We have the little hand towel holders. These are nice square style. That's that, and we are given 2 of those as well. We have the shower curtain, or not the shower curtain, the towel bar. So this is the towel bar here, and you can see it's really nice. Got that very sleek square look on it, so that will look nice on any bathroom wall as well. Looks like we have 1 of those. And then in these boxes, and here we have other things. Let's see. Oh wait, no, here's another one. We have a second hook here. So we have 2 of those. So this is good. So this is good for my master bath because we have 2 of everything, because I have my side and my girl has the other side. Okay, we have some of these hooks. This is a good towel hook, like outside the shower door. Very nice. And I think we were given 2 of those as well right here. So those are nice little hooks too. And what was in this box? Oh, more hooks, I think. Any more of the same? Yes, more of the same. So we actually are given 4 of those. So we have lots of different hooks. I like to put actually these inside the shower to hang my loofah sponge and other things in as well. So we have lots of different ones here. So as we are remodeling the house here, we are going to have some nice new fixtures that are going to match and be nice. And it comes with all your mounting screws and everything you need right there for it. So it's perfect. So everything you need in there for this whole set. And it is nice and gonna go up nice and easy. These are the kinds where you have that little hex screw where you unscrew that. This little plate comes out, you screw the plate onto the wall, this goes on it, and the little screw goes on back on it. So it'll hold it in place really nice. Great for some things like these here. These here are the toilet paper rolls will mount slightly differently. Those are gonna go screw directly into the wall. It looks like we're given 2 screw holes there that will screw in. So that one's slightly different. Everything else uses those little brackets. So I'm gonna say this is a great set. So if you need some new bathroom hardware that are black in color, this one here is it. It looks like you could probably switch this thing around too. If you want to do something else, you could take these screws off, and I don't know how you would change it, but you're able to. Very nice, thumbs up.